Do you also find the time icon on your phone too small to see? Even if you have good eyesight, it's still hard to read sometimes. I honestly don't understand why Android developers haven't made it bigger yet. It would make things so much more convenient. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and universal method to make the time icon on your phone larger and easier to see. Welcome to my channel. Let's get started. First, we'll need to enable the hidden features on your phone. The process is slightly different depending on your phone brand, but here's the general method. Open your main settings. Tap on About Phone. Find MIUI version, build number, or software information. Tap on it 7 times until you see a message that says Developer Mode enabled. Once Developer Mode is turned on, we can access those hidden settings. Now, go back to your main settings and use the search bar at the top. Type Developer, then open Developer Options. Scroll down to the Drawing section, and look for an option called Smallest Width. You'll see a number there. For example, mine shows 380. Let's test it. I'll change mine from 380 to 320. Then tap OK. As you can see, the time and other icons in the status bar are now larger. However, you'll also notice that the text and icons on your home screen are now bigger too. If you prefer only the status bar icons to be large while keeping everything else the same, here's how to fix that. Go to Settings again and search for Font. Open Font Settings and reduce the text size. Then, go back to the search bar and type Icons. Open icon size and make them smaller again. Now, your time, battery, and other status bar icons will stay large, while the text and app icons on your home screen return to normal. And here's one more useful tip to make your battery easier to read. You can show the percentage next to it. Go to Settings, Notifications and Status Bar. Battery Indicator. And turn on percentage. That's it. Now your phone's status bar looks much clearer and more comfortable to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.